under their gears. All right, YouTube. I got a call here for a Hoshizaki that I guess they moved the machine off the dispenser, put it back on, and they're saying it's making ice slowly. We'll grab tippins and some gloves, and we'll get in here and we'll check this. It's a Hoshizaki on top of a soda fountain. Let's check it out. We're catching it right on fill mode. Filling up with water. It's in harvest, so let's see if it comes out of harvest. It goes into ice making mode. The condenser needs a cleaning. You guys can see that. So when the thermistor sees 40 degrees, it should come out of harvest and go into the ice making mode. That was weird. The water inlet valve stopped, but we're still in harvest. Let's see if it switches. This one was installed in 2014 by yours truly. 7-Eleven. Wow. All right, here we go. We got water pump. Then we should come out of harvest here and go into the freeze mode. There it goes. Yep, I got my hands up here because I'm feeling for it. So yeah, we just absolutely went into the freeze mode. What I'm doing here is I'm looking at the water distribution. I like to make sure that the ice guide's lined up proper, and it is. All right, we're gonna let it, we'll time out a cycle here and see how we're doing on the ice making. Your QR code scanner with your phone will give you tons of information, and the tech spec books and everything will be right on your phone to look at. So it says like a 32-minute free cycle time, and we'll see if we're within that. like to watch the frost pattern. So far, so good. And then I'm gonna time it, and then we'll see what our harvest looks like. All right, frost pattern's looking good. Almost to defrost. You can see the water's out of the sun. We're getting to the bottom there. Getting really close. There it goes. Just kicked in the harvest cycle. It's within spec. It was actually faster than 32 minutes, so we'll see how it goes. I just need to schedule up a big old scrub-a-dooski, man. It's the end of the night. And this thing needs a big old scrub-a-dooski, like mega scrubber. That's the sound of victory right there. Filled back up. Oh yeah, filled back up. Ready for the next batch.